Tesla rolls out new life-saving feature for kids in Europe. Tesla is rolling out a new life-saving feature in the European market, one that has been available in the United States for some time and can be considered potentially invaluable. One of the most preventable causes of death for children is being left in cars unattended. On average, 37 children die every year after being left in hot vehicles. The cause of death is usually heat stroke, and it is incredibly avoidable. Tesla rolls out new crucial safety feature aimed at saving children. However, there are instances where kids are left in vehicles and lose their lives, something that many companies have tried to fight with alerts and features of their own. Tesla is one of them, as it has rolled out features like ultrasonic sensors to detect heartbeats, interior cameras to detect movement, and alerts to notify parents if they leave someone in the car. A few months ago, Tesla rolled out a new feature called Child Left Alone Detection in the United States. It was described as, if an unattended child is detected, the vehicle will flash the exterior indicator lights, play an alert tone, and send a notification to your Tesla app. This will repeat at regular intervals until you return to your vehicle. Cabin data is processed locally and is not transmitted to Tesla. This feature is enabled by default. To disable, go to Controls Safety Child Left Alone Detection. This feature was only rolled out in the USA at the time. It is now making its way to the European market, according to Not a Tesla app, which detected the rollout in the 2025.32.6 software update. The rollout of this feature could specifically change many unfortunate situations. For many of us, it seems hard to think about leaving something as precious as another human life in a hot car. Many of us won't leave our vehicles without our cell phones, so it seems unlikely that someone would do it without a child. Source: reposted and summarized from Joey Klender at teslarati.